Now, in this lesson, we are going to start our bake, but before we do that, let me save our project one more time. And then let's put in all the information the texture Pabrika needs. So this is going to be lantern high, lantern low, and then this is going to be lantern matte. Let's also bring down this value over here since we don't need too much of that. And let's also bring down this value over here just so we can bake out our maps faster. Now I think we're ready and let's start our bake. Now, just to inform you, because Blender UI freezes when it's running a script, there is no way for us to check on the progress of our bake from within Blender. So what we are going to do is to navigate to our output file destination using our operating system's file browser, where we'll see exactly how our bake is turning out. Now, I think it's worth knowing that Texture Paprika generates a lot of stuff like view layers and shader nodes during the bake process. So if for some reason it gets interrupted, you might end up with some data on your file that you might not recognize. In that case, you might want to try and clean up all of these files, but the best thing to do would be to take note of what caused the issue. Reopen a previously saved file, that way you're sure you're working with a clean working file, and then fix whatever it was that caused the issue. Alright, after our bake is done, let me just head over to our shading workspace so that you can see that we have our data maps automatically added into our target material. Alright, now in our next lesson, we are going to talk about Texture Paprika's node builder utility. We are going to set a few things up so that we can start building our textures for our lantern.